Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semuanya, insya Allah kita lanjutkan pelajaran Learn English from Scratch pada hari ini. Kita akan membahas ya sesi pertama ini, Writing Simple Sentences, Describing Yourself and Daily Routines. Ya, jadi kita akan menulis introduction ya kita sendiri ya. Misalkan di sini my name is Melody. Nama saya Melody. Nah, ini kalimat sederhana dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Jadi kalimat yang sederhana itu memiliki pattern. Yang pertama itu subjek ya. Misalkan verb, go ya. Ya, I go to the school ya. Atau ada objek if needed ya. Kalau I go to the school kan nggak ada objek. Nah, misalkan kalau kita makan roti misalkan berarti objeknya roti kan. Saya makan roti. Saya subjeknya, verbnya makan, objeknya roti. I eat a bread ya. Jadi I subject eat a verb, objeknya adalah the bread ya. Nah, coba baca melodi.
My name is Rina. I am two,
12.
12 years old. I live in Jakarta. I like reading books.
Oke. Coba kalau Rina diganti melodi gimana? Semuanya diganti
My,
juga.
my name is Melody. I am 7 years old. I live in Chelsea. I like I like playing 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 game.
Oke. Coba Zahra diganti Zahra di sini gimana?
My name is Zahra. I am 20 years old. I live in Chelsea. I like drawing.
Oke, easy? Gak ada belum siap ya? Oke, kita lanjut.
My name
Oke.
is Easy. I am 18 years old. I live in Chelsea. I like uh, reading books.
Oke, kita lanjutkan. Baca melodi.
I wake up at 6 p.m. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I have lunch and not. I go
I
home
have lunch at noon. Coba ulang.
I have lunch at noon. I
Noon.
go
Noon. Ada morning ya, morning ya. Afternoon.
I have lunch at
Noon.
at noon. I go home at 4 p.m. I do my homework. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Oke. Ada pertanyaan di sini. Easy.
Baca.
Hmm.
Pertanyaan
Oh, pertanyaan.
Baca dulu, baca
Oh,
aja.
baca. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast.
Bukan breakfast,
I go
breakfast.
breakfast. I go to school. I have lunch at noon. I go home at 4 p.m. I do my homework. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Oke. Ada pertanyaan di sini? Ya, jadi simple sekali ya. Nah, sekarang digabung. Nah, coba Zahra disesuaikan dengan jadi Rina ganti Zahra, terus bangun jam berapa, terus ngapain aja. Yuk.
My name is Zahra. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I learning German. I study
And I learn German. I eat breakfast and
and
I learn German.
I learn German and
Gak usah
have
udah titik aja. Ini diganti kalimat berikutnya.
I have lunch at noon. I go home.
I do sport, misalkan I do sport at
I do sport and I help my mom in at home in the evening. I read the book.
I read.
reading.
Kalau itu I read a book misalkan, nggak usah. The itu kan dia definite article. Jadi harus yang sudah jelas. Kalau ini sesuatu yang umum, I read a book misalkan
I
gitu.
read a book. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Coba easy.
My name is Izzy. I wake up at 4 a.m. I fasting and go to mosque
Ya.
to pray. Uh, I read Al-Quran and I read Al-Quran in mosque and and uh, and learn English at noon. At noon, I I sleep at 4 p.m. In the evening, I play soccer. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Oke, Melody.
My name is Melody. I wake up at 6 p.m. I eat breakfast and go to school. I study in class and have lunch at noon. I
Stop dulu.
go
Ini
home.
I study in class and have lunch at noon.
I study.
Bukan study. Hmm?
I study in class and have lunch at noon. I go home at 3 p.m. I do. In the evening, go. I do my homework. I go to bed at 8 p.m.
Oke. Jelas ya. Artinya juga jelas ya. Kalau ini bisa dilihat di translate-nya. Nah, sekarang dijawab pertanyaannya. Satu, dua, tiga, Melody.
My name is Melody. I wake up at 6 a.m. I
I take bread for breakfast. I eat rice for breakfast. Apa?
eat rice for breakfast. I go to school. I eat lunch at noon. I I go I
Apa in the evening? I do homework. Apa terserah. I
I
play with my friends in the evening bisa juga.
I'm playing with my friends. I
In the
go to bed.
Oke.
I go to bed at 8 p.m.
Oke. Sekarang Zahra.
Name is Zahra. I wake up at at 6 a.m. I take a bread for breakfast. I go to mall for shopping. I eat lunch at noon.
Bisa jadi jam kan? At 12 misalkan.
I eat lunch at uh 12 12 em. I I take a shower in the evening. Bener. Or I drawing
Jangan
in
drawing.
the
I do drawing atau apa. Jadi dia simple presence.
I do drawing in the evening. I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Oke. Nah, kita lanjut aja dulu ya biar ini. Jadi ini bacanya in the evening karena dia vokal kan. Vowel. Ini example answer. My name is Rina. I wake up at 6 a.m. I eat toast for breakfast. I go to school. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. I do my homework in the evening. I go to bed at 9 p.m. Ya. Itu simple sentence. Jadi follow subject, verb, and object. To describe yourself, say, my name is blah blah blah. I live in. I am blah 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 years old ya. Nah, ini daily activity rutin misalkan itu simple sentence ya. Jadi kalau dia rutin itu pakai simple sentence ya, jangan drawing atau sleeping misalnya. Contohnya I wake up at 6 a.m. karena dia rutin ya, tiap hari seperti itu. I go to school at 7 a.m. I eat lunch at noon. Jadi hampir setiap hari seperti itu. Jadi menggunakan tensesnya itu simple sentence. Oke, jelas ya. Kita stop dulu, kita lanjutkan.